This is another question we have. Find dy dx if y is equal to this. And if we check this one, it involves a power function. Okay, and for such case, the best way to solve this question is using logarithm differentiation. And in doing that, the first step is what? Is to take the length of both sides. So step one, take the length of both sides. And if you do that, we're going to have ln y equal to what? X. Then you can now differentiate implicitly with respect to x. So this will give you 1 over y dy dx. Then this one is a product rule. Differentiate this one, that's 1. Okay, keep this one constant. Keep your x constant and differentiate the natural logarithm. 1 over cos x times derivative of this, which is minus what? Minus sin x. And the final thing to do now is to remove this one from here by multiplying through by y. So my dy dx is equal to what? Y. I have by y, which is ln cos x plus minus, that's minus, and then this one sine over cos, that's a tan x. Don't forget to click on the watermarks on this video and subscribe. That is one of the ways to support this channel. And also click on like button and begin to type your comment. Finally, share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Okay, let this video go viral. Thank you for doing that.